Here at JBU, we have what I think is a really distinctive game design program because we try to train the students not only in digital content type of entertainment, but also analog games. We have the BS degree, which is a great way to learn the essentials of programming. And now we have the BA degree, which I think is a great option for students who want to double major and pick up the skills of using these kind of game engines to learn some animation and 3D modeling, along with another field of study. In both of the classes that I teach, Game Design 1 and 2, I try to set up projects for the students where it involves moral choices that are not easily solved. And when you present games like that, that is where I believe Christians have the potential to do some pre-evangelism, to lay the groundwork for people who might be interested in where do those ideas come from. In Game Design 1, we have a narrative approach of really creating compelling games that make the player want to just replay the game and get more fully immersed. So there's a lot of world building. In Game Design 2, students get a solid training in the Unity game engine. It's used in all kinds of industries, and I think this really makes our graduates a lot more versatile. So the kind of skills that you would develop in one genre are crossover skills that you can use in designing digital content. They know how to do more than just program and code, and they are learning skills that are cross-transferable. I think this makes our graduates a lot more versatile, equipping them for careers in all kinds of industries, not just game design.